In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the specific error code 3301 on Paramount Plus. So if you're currently facing that exact error code, well then this video is going to help you to fix it. So as you can see, code 3301. If you're actually seeing this error right now, try any of these options. You will need to firstly try to restart your browser. So if you're currently using a computer, or maybe you're using actually your mobile phone, well then you can actually just restart your browser. So you can actually do so quite easily, and when you have done so, then go back and see if it now works, because it should actually fix a lot of these issues. You can also restart. As you can see, they do have a couple of instructions right here to be able to restart if you're using different devices, but it's quite easy. So for example, if you're using your phone, you can also, by the way, instead of restarting your browser, you can just restart your phone completely, and then it's going to automatically just restart all the app that you have on your phone, and then hopefully it's going to work. By the way, it's quite similar with a computer. You can just restart the entire computer as well. It's going to automatically restart everything, and then hopefully you can just go back into Paramount Plus after that, and then it will be actually fixed.